create a fun display for your Thanksgiving table with these fruit cornucopias. This is a great activity to keep the kids busy during dinner prep. Set them up with waffle cones and fruit and let them create their own. I use green grapes, a red apple, and a cutie. The cornucopia, or horn of plenty, is a symbol of abundance and nourishment and has become a Thanksgiving staple. I hope your kids enjoy creating this sweet treat. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.